everybody, and welcome. Today's video is going to be Ipsy versus Ipsy, Mother versus Daughter, Glam Bag Plus edition. This is a monthly subscription. So before we jump into the unboxing, if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Mama MD, makeup diva, not medical doctor. And over here is my beautiful daughter Haley, aka Love Haley, who also has her own YouTube channel. So make sure to check my description box down below for the link over to her channel. And don't forget that I forgot what I was gonna say. Hold on. Anyways, guys, over here we just embrace the hot mess. We run on a lot of caffeine, and it's a judgment-free zone where we just sit back, relax, and remember at the end of the day, that came out really funny. At the end of the day, it's just makeup. It washes off.
I didn't know what you were about to say.
The caffeine is strong through this girl. Just saying. Anyways, I hope you guys decide to stick around and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on because your girl uploads a lot at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. Love to have you as part of the family. I also have a second channel. I talk a lot. Check the description box down below. I was really excited because my hubs has decided to allow his face more often in the videos.
The Hubs is on my channel.
Is he really?
Yes, he always is in my vlogs when I'm with you guys. No, he doesn't know. I just put them on.
Okay.
And he just is there and he doesn't know. He doesn't watch them, so he doesn't
That's
know.
funny. Okay, guys, so if you are new to what Mother versus, or Ipsy versus Ipsy, Mother versus Daughter is we pick up the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's a $25 monthly subscription. Our profiles are completely different, and we put them up against each other. I also...
it's a better bag.
Yes, and we did do some add-ons.
Yes.
I think she did a lot more. I think I only added 1 or 2 things on. And I'm going to say, before we jump into it, it was weird. Let me know if you guys had an issue with billing. They actually billed me twice for my mini bag. So I'm like, am I going to get 2 bags, or are you just going to charge me?
I only got those once.
Yeah, so I don't know what's going on with that. So anyways, but like this is also add-ons.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't want to get an add-on palette, even though I never tried the eye palette.
Well, they were 12 bucks.
I know, and I'm like, that's such a good deal, but then I only wanted to spend $12 on this. Okay, show your first add-on.
Okay, so my first add-on is the Huda Beauty, and this is like weird because it doesn't even have the little doodad.
Doodad.
You know how normally there's like a clear plastic cover?
Finesse.
That's weird. Anywho, I got the Emerald Obsessions palette. I thought
green.
I've been obsessing over greens lately.
Me too. I've been using the Jeffree Star Morphe one.
I like her 9-pan palettes, but I also like saving money and getting the dupe ones. But like I said, this was 12 bucks, so that's why I picked it up.
Okay, do you have any more add-ons?
Yeah. And then Haley, and I still haven't tried it, keeps telling me.
You bought another one?
Yeah. Because you said they're amazing.
They are, so I don't know why she hasn't tried it, but these are the best mascaras I've ever used. And I have another one coming in my regular Ipsy.
So this, anyhow, it's the Thrive Mascara.
It's the best.
Okay, go ahead.
My other add-ons, I got this
Oh.
Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. It says Sea Kiss on it because I have their overnight sleeping mask and it's not oily.
Did you get that?
Yes. Stop, what?
Sorry.
Did you get that?
I did, but in my...
Oh. Anyways, I really like the overnight sleep mask, so I got that because it's not oily. Stop peeking at my box! Gosh! Anyways, I got that, and then I got this brush. I don't really know what kind of brush this is. I don't remember, but it's like marble print. And this was $3.
It says it.
Oh, it's a Farrah Beauty brush, and it's a face brush. And I got it because it was $3. The lotion was also $3. The mascara was $12. And then I got this other mascara because sometimes I like to layer mascaras over it. And I remember when this first came out, hearing that it was really good. This is the Brooklyn & Bailey Lash Next Door.
Oh,
mascara.
I've never heard of that.
Well, I used to watch Brooklyn & Bailey, and their mom, I believe, was like a hairdresser because they used to always, I used to watch their mom do like hairstyles on their hair. Or maybe it wasn't their mom, but they would I don't really know. But then I started to watch their channels for a little bit. And yeah, that's all.
Okay, so was that
That's
all your
my
add-ons? Okay, so are you... What? Okay, first of all, how come the box is so big for such little things?
Oh, yeah. I think they ran out of these boxes and they didn't think
Like, literally, y'all, look at this. The box is, like, ginormous.
Like, I bet this is what the ultimate comes in.
Which I hear is still not getting good. Sorry, I somehow chipped a nail.
Wow.
What? Okay, anywho, sorry about that. We did get a card. Last month, I did not have my card. So, little information is on here. Again, like I said, these boxes are $25 plus tax, and they are monthly boxes. So, jumping in,
I forgot to customize my box. What?
I think I did too. Did I?
I don't know. Let's
Honestly,
the
I
bag.
had to have forgotten because is there something in it? You got something in yours? Oh. Honestly, okay, I'll just give those thoughts at the end.
I like marble things.
So, there's nothing in this one either.
I like that one.
So the first item I got in here is the 9-pan Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession, which is pretty.
I got the
warm.
Obsession.
Did you get a plastic thingy?
No.
Maybe they just don't come with one. Those are pretty. I have that. I have the dupe one.
Yeah, but I like that. I like that one more. It's still good. I like red. Sorry to complain. That was really annoying. Like, I just played it back in my head and I was like, ew, I hate you. Yeah. Sorry, I run on lack of energy and sleep. I now have 2 jobs and I'm a full-time student. And I sell earrings.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, you should see her latest earring.
Oh yeah, my newest earrings are really cool.
There's no way. I didn't pick any of this.
Okay, well, let's continue.
That's awesome. Go ahead.
It's your turn.
Oh. So my next item is Space Case Cosmetics.
Oh, you're doing. I have that too.
Scene from Space.
There's 2.
Yeah, I got 2
one
too.
It
And I'm
counts
like,
as one item. I have 1B and 1C. How about you?
1C, 1B. Which one did you already open?
Neither.
Highlighter. This is like a yellow greeny undertoned highlighter.
This one.
Oh, that one's pretty.
Let me see that. I like that one more. Good thing we both got them. Cover your face.
Oh. I'm a little rusty, guys.
Oh my
But you can see the yellowy green undertone.
And the golden. Oh, my softness. Hello, like ColourPop.
Really?
Feels like ColourPop. Touch it.
Ooh, yeah, it does. It's so creamy.
And it's beautiful.
Ooh, okay, I'll touch it. You want to touch it? I just had a Finding Nemo flashback.
Why?
Touch it. The butt. Right? On the boat? Right?
Yeah.
Anybody else? So we're 10 minutes in. They're like, Jesus, you're only on the second item?
Already 10 minutes?
You
How
two
is
are
this
so
possible?
annoying.
I'm so exhausted. Okay, my
Leave
next
the
item.
negativity at
Do
the
you have
door.
this?
I do. And I
In
actually...
here?
No. It came in my Boxycharm. And I actually really like it. I did.
This is the $1 Billion Brow Bestseller Kit. And inside of it, ooh, there's more, my goodness.
Yeah.
Is the Brow Duo Pencil Concealer and the highlighter, which is awesome. I love these things. The Brow Gel, I wonder what color, is it clear?
Yeah.
Clear Brow Gel. This eyebrow pencil, it's a universal pencil. So hopefully it doesn't look
It looked good on me, and so...
But my hair is a lot darker now. And then one of these little awesome brushes, the smudgy brush, that's great for like around the eyebrows. Just like that.
Yeah. People told me that if you like the $1 Billion brow sets, that they were finding them at TJ Maxx and Marshalls for $7.99.
What?
Yeah. So my next item is the Naturals Cartel.
That's like really
lipstick.
cute packaging.
Yeah.
It's so neat. Is it gonna be like, oh wow.
It's very, I'm hoping it's more of a sheer color. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. It's like the worst swatch
Put
ever.
it on.
Okay, yeah. It's like
a tinted bone.
Yeah.
My nose ring, I'm flipping it. Sorry.
She's making her nose.
My fingers are both on the outside of my nose. It just, sometimes when I move too much, it like the hook hangs out of the bottom. It's really annoying. I'm gonna put the hoop back in eventually.
Yeah, I actually really like that. See, okay, here's the deal, guys. A lot of times I'd go through these boxes and I'm like, I don't like that. That color is not for me. And then I actually try it on. I'm like, oh, okay.
I like it. I like it
nice.
a lot.
Does the card give us a value of each item?
Yes.
Oh, sure enough. Okay, so this has a retail value of $15. And these little space doodads have...
18.
Yes, thank you.
And the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in warm brown is 27.
Same with my doohickey.
And the $1 Billion Brow Bestsellers kit is 42.
Okay, your next item?
My next item is the Jules Smith Beauty Power Glosses in Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. And I like them already.
Did you not get them when I got them?
Nope. And I was mad because I wanted them.
Yeah, they're nice. I don't know what I did with mine. They might be in the drawer.
They're so nice that I lost them. That's what they look like. I'm not gonna get up.
What, if memory serves me correctly, these were high-end, expensive.
Oh yes, these are $32
That's a lot.
for 2.
Okay, so my next item is by Sugar. I want to say this is another one we got. It's called Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner, and I'll be black.
Is it felted?
I don't know. No, I'll just put it in a giveaway or give it to you or something.
Me. I get it. Sorry. But not really. I need a new felt tip eyeliner.
Well,
my Betty Boop one's finally starting to dry out. It's really depressing.
Really? I feel like you just got that.
Yeah, when they first released the Ultimate bag. If you are not a felt tip, I'm going to be very mad. Boom. That's how you'll all track things.
Oh, it does appear to be nice.
Yes, very nice.
But I don't have the eyelids for that. I mean, maybe I do, but... Okay, ready?
Yes. I don't have that.
I just went.
Oh, it's my turn?
God.
This is the Hanalei Lip Treatment, which I'm going to put on right now. It's a lip treatment in clear.
How much?
$20. Oh, look. Why is that whole, like that? That's ginormous.
Is there any products in there?
Yeah, it's just thick. Maybe that's why they have to make it so big. Have you ever seen... I can't get over it. Focus, Cameron, because I don't want to get up.
You're moving.
I can't help it. You can see it. That's not normal. That looks like a moisturizer should be in there.
Well, it's thick. It's been sitting in the house all day, so there's no reason for it not to be gushy and out. It's like petroleum jelly thickness,
yeah,
like thick. Or Aquaphora thick. Eucerin? No, that's like lotion.
Oh, the second ingredient's petroleum.
That's like a mineral oil, right?
I think so.
For $20, you can go to the dollar store and get 20 Vaselines. Okay, so my last item is the Purelisse Prevent Blue Loftus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. Hydrates, intensively firms and brightens and decreases puffiness for a retail value of, jeez Louise, $58?
Dang!
Girl be ballin'. Wow. Huh. Okay. Not bad about it. I said, okay, do you have any more?
No.
So give me your,
I like my bag. I like eyeshadow, I like highlighter, I like lip gloss, I like eyebrows, I like lip treatment. Like, these are all things I'll definitely use. And I finessed my mom's eyeliner. And I need that.
I mean...
I don't need it, I wanted it.
Honestly, guys, even including the bag, I feel like a lot of what we got were repeats. And I don't even remember picking anything. And
Yeah,
I know.
I forgot.
No, I know I was in there to pick because that's how I picked up the add-ons.
No,
and then
they are different.
Well, yeah, they sent a separate one saying like, hey, you can pick. And I remember looking at it and seeing it. And I wish I could remember what it was I got to pick from. But it wasn't any of the stuff that I got. I know that much. Honestly, guys, my thoughts on my box, nothing knocks my socks off. And to be 100 with you guys, like...
Well, I'm just saying I would not pay $139 for all of the things that I got.
Yeah, there's nothing in here that... And, you know, here's the crazy thing. Here's my thing. If you offered me... And there was a bunch of other ones you could have chose from. These little things for $12, but then you're going to throw one in to my box and claim it to be a $27 item when you let me buy this for $12. Like, no. I'm not, I don't know. Ipsy, you might want to check out some other subscription services. Boxycharm. Just saying. Just saying. Anyways, guys, that was our unboxing. What were your final thoughts, Haley?
I like my box. I'm not going to cancel it. Maybe I'll get a new subscription, but I can't really afford it. So
I don't know. Yeah,
oh
shoot. I can't say that I enjoy it. I can't say that this box is the worst, but I definitely can't say it's the best. I actually pick it up because of the donations from our Patreons. So thank you to our Patreons so much for your love and support over there. If you guys are interested in helping this channel out and providing donations, definitely check out my description box down below for the link to the Patreon. Like I said, all donations from our Patreons goes right back into our channel. They just get first dibs on unboxings and certain videos and all of that. So anyways, friends, that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys loved our random crazy hot messness. We're professionals. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on. Don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And until next time, friends, we hope you have
a
wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.
Oh, wait. Bye. I almost forgot to do the kisses.
We are all over the place.